Why does humanity lose its balance? Why does existence reveal itself through love, relationships, and suffering? Why do some people never hear the truth, while others carry a loneliness and pain that cannot be explained? This book explores the structure of human existence and the soul through 20 questions and answers about thought, mind, conscience, original conscience, space-time, nature, connections, love, enlightenment, and reincarnation. The purpose of this book is not simply to deliver knowledge. It is to help each reader look within their own heart again and discover the original nature that has always existed within them. We often struggle to understand the world outside of us. Yet we are rarely taught how to truly see within ourselves. Human life does not collapse because of external waves, but because the inner foundation loses its direction. This book is not merely an explanation of the world. It is an invitation for you to question yourself once again. At the end of those questions, you may discover that you are able to see yourself more deeply than ever before.